In this video, you are going to learn how to change video background using green screen, also known as chroma key. So click on the plus icon. So you rename a project. Very important to rename a project, especially when you have a lot of projects on Alight Motion, so you won't get confused looking for your project. So you choose your aspect ratio. I choose 16:19. Choose your resolution if you want. The resolution you choose depends on the video file. Remember, let me leave it as what it is. So click on create project. First you have to do is click on the plus icon to add a background. So click on the square, click on the overflow button right there at the top, and click on fill screen. Change color and fill and change your color. So right here, click on the plus button, click on image and video, click on view all, and select your green screen video. Click on the video and click on the plus button. So click on the, so this video is not of the right size, click on the three dots here and click on fill screen. You have to extend our background to fit the video background. So click on the move to end, click to expand to the end of the timeline. So you need to add on the video layer, click on effect, add effect, and add chroma key. Then click on the green screen. Change the feather to 0, increase the threshold. So that's it. Very easy. So you go back, let's view our project. To make it look a little bit more realistic, click on the video layer, then click on border and shadow, click on the third one here, toggle it on, increase the size a little bit, then change the position a little bit backward. So let's watch it once more. This is a little bit more realistic. Alright, so you could choose the position as much as you like, as you can see here. So that's it. So let's decrease the opacity a little bit, so look it's natural as it's too hard. So this is it.
Dreamstar.com audio. Dreamstar.com
So click on the export button and export our video. Click on save to gallery. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.